Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to invest with Fidelity. Many people wonder about buying Fidelity stock, but it's important to know that Fidelity is a private company, so its shares are not publicly traded on stock exchanges. However, you can absolutely invest through Fidelity, accessing a vast array of financial products and services. Your first step is to understand the options available for investing with this well-known financial institution. To begin your investment journey, you'll need to open an account with Fidelity. This process is straightforward and typically takes only a few minutes online. You'll choose an account type that fits your needs, such as a standard brokerage account or a retirement account like an IRA. Then, you'll provide some basic personal information and link a bank account to easily fund your new investment account, often with no minimum deposit required. Once your account is set up and funded, it's time to explore the many investment options available through Fidelity. You can choose from individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, or a wide selection of mutual funds, including Fidelity's own highly rated offerings. Take advantage of their robust research tools, educational materials, and expert insights to help you make informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Finally, when you've decided on your investments, placing an order is simple. Navigate to the trading section, select the specific stock or fund you wish to buy, and enter the quantity. You'll then choose an order type, like a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify a maximum price. Always review all the details of your order carefully before confirming to ensure accuracy and complete your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.